I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and protecting yourself. This prevents surprises. Once parked, disconnect the battery negative so you don't short wiring while working. Make sure to put on gloves and eye protection. Next, remove surrounding trim or brackets that hide the KC light mounts. Use a 10 mm or 13 mm socket for bolts and a flat tool to pry clips gently. As you loosen fasteners, hold the light to stop it from falling, because gravity will work against you if you rush. Once the housing is exposed, remove the lens screws or rotate twist lock tabs while supporting the lens, otherwise it can drop and crack. You should then access the wiring. Unplug the connector by pressing its release and pull straight out. Label connectors with tape if there are multiple. Check the gasket around the lens for brittle spots and inspect bulbs. If seals are compromised, debris and water will cause future failure. Make sure to keep small screws together so reassembly is straightforward. To finish, align the lens and housing, replace any worn gaskets, and tighten mounting bolts evenly. Do not over-torque plastic tabs. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and test the lamp operation at both low and high output so you confirm correct function. If lights flicker or won't power, check the ground connection first, then inspect connector pins for corrosion and verify inline fuses. If a bulb is dead, swap with a known good unit. This isolates wiring versus lamp failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.